Well, I don't know if this video is going to do it justice. I'm back, probably to about where your deck would be. And you can see that you're definitely seeing a lot more water than we were before. I'm just walking up to the edge, kind of where that opening was on the lot. Looks like the stuff 4 inches and under they definitely cut out, and they've limbed up. If I was going to complain, I'd complain that some of the trees lower down the bank would have been nice if they limbed them a little bit higher up than they have. I'm just kind of walking towards the storm drain now. Definitely a big improvement.